Hi, my name is Shridhar Sudhir. I'm a filmmaker and educator right now based in Delhi. I have been working in as an independent filmmaker for the last 8 to 9 years now, and I have extensive experience in both documentary, fiction, non-fiction, both. Now, here we have been doing a course on art direction, where we are trying to explore what goes on behind the camera, behind the scenes, in understanding and creating the world of the characters, to understand the characters within the story and how one can situate themselves in the shoes of the characters quite literally, imagine the world around them, imagine what the character is feeling, and explore within their own emotions and their own range of emotions, and kind of come up with a tactile solution to whatever situation we are writing for these characters. So that is what we have been exploring for the last 4 or 5 days now. This is a week long course. And so the first thing we did was we did a couple of exercises to make them understand the different kind of roles that are on a film set. Then how they interact with each other, what is the role of the art director, how the art director kind of interacts with all the other people, creates and understands what the director wants or what the DOP wants, and how to deliver their own understanding of what they interpret these inputs as. So that is what we're trying to do. It has been a really nice course. We've been doing this for a week. The students have been really interactive. Third time that I'm coming here to École Intuit Lab Delhi, and it has been a great experience. The students have been very responsive and they have been very participated in class. One of the most memorable things that we did was we were shooting a exercise on the second day, where we had set up a set and we had some actors, and we were trying to get these students who have never come in front of the camera, get them to act, at the same time understand what it means to act and direct and not laugh at each other, be vulnerable. And these moments, I feel, as a community, it really builds a sense of camaraderie between each other. And essentially cinema is about empathy and understanding what other people feel. So I think as a experience, this was something very memorable for me, and I think for the students also.